If you're an iPhone user, you probably know that Siri is a handy voice assistant that can help you with a variety of tasks. But did you know that you can turn on Siri with the side button? In this video, I'll show you how to enable Siri on your iPhone using the side button. Once you've enabled Siri, you'll be able to use it for a variety of tasks, such as setting reminders, sending messages, and much more. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on the side button option over here. So now all you have to do is select Siri where it says press and hold to speak. And now when you press and hold the power button, it will enable Siri. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.